Hello, fifth graders. Mrs. Coulter here with your second logic diagram assignment. Today in logic diagrams, you will study the diagram of circles provided to figure out whether a statement is true or false. So I'm going to go to that. You will notice that some of the words used in the diagram might be nonsensical. That is okay. The point of this assignment is to understand the diagram and how it works enough to correctly answer the questions. This is the diagram in your assignment. I will go over some of the types of questions that you will need to answer in order to complete your assignment. Number 1 below says, the Yeek circle overlaps 3 other circles. To solve this problem, I need to study the diagram above. I find Yeek on the circle and notice that it overlaps both squiggles and ding-dongs, but that it does not overlap anymore. So right here and right here. To answer this question, I would then circle false on number 1. Because number 1 says the Yeek circle overlaps 3 other circles, so that would be false. Number 2 states some squiggles are wiggets. To check whether this is true or false, I need to find them on the diagram. So squiggles right here, I notice that it overlaps wiggets, and I know that this means they will have some that could be both squiggles and wigglets. So you need to decide what the answer for this is and all of the rest of them on your assignment. So good luck with your logic diagrams.